Hi, my name is Kristen and welcome back to How To. Today I'll be showing you how to do the dynamic neon outline effect in After Effects. This effect is very popular in dance and music videos, and so I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to import your footage and bring it onto your composition. Open the footage within the composition. Next, open your brush tool and adjust the parameters to your liking. For this example, we're going to be using a small, hard brush and a deep color of red. Also, be sure to set your duration to single frame. Then, go to the point in your timeline that you'd like to start the effect, and start drawing what you'd like to be present in that frame, and then advance to the next frame and repeat. To advance to the next frame, you hit Command+right on Mac or Control+right on PC. It's important to know the frame rate of your footage because you'll need to draw over each individual frame. For footage that is 60 frames per second, the effect will look very smooth, but will be much more time-consuming than the footage in 24 frames per second. When you've completed each frame, add a new black solid layer to your composition. Copy each paint effect layer from your footage to this solid layer. Delete the paint effect from your footage. Set your blending mode to screen. From here, you can apply any number of effects, but for the neon effect, add glow, adjust your parameters to your liking, and you're done. To recap, bring in your footage into After Effects and open it within the composition. Select your brush tool and make sure your duration is set to single frame. Then, use the brush tool to draw what you want for each frame. When you're finished, add a new black solid layer, copy and paste your paint effect, and set to screen. Apply the glow effect to your shape layer and delete the paint effect from your footage. Export and you're done. And that's how you make the dynamic neon outline effect. Thanks for watching How To.